Okay, 18. Here's what we have to do: a paver surface cleaning in the patio area, and we have, it looks like chalk. Maybe the kids were having fun out in the backyard, and so what we're doing now, we're applying our percarbonate. This is a very eco-friendly solution, and what it does is, look at it, it begins to eat away at the, I don't know if you can see that, eat away at the chalk, removing it, all right? And it's friendly for plants, and it's not as tough as SH, you know? So this is the stuff. Now some of the stuff, if it's like hard paint like this, I don't know, that's coming off. I was gonna say that might be like hard paint. Some of it's coming off there. You wanna soak it really good, give it a good soaking. And then we have, again, some over here. And take a look right there. We're gonna clean these pavers off as well. When you're cleaning pavers, we basically just do a soft wash. And I would have used the SH, but not using the SH because they have the artificial turf back here, and we don't want to cause any stains or damage to that. So we're using the eco-friendly percarbonate to get all this stuff clean. And this is a good solution to have in your arsenal when you're cleaning pavers. Because pavers, you don't want to put any high pressure on these. You want to put just, soft washing. And again, like I said, this particular area right here, this area probably I could have used SH, but over there, but it's, I mean, if you look at right here, this is coming up with the SH. I mean, the percarbonate is like literally eating the chalk and all that, and all the dirt up. I've done this on driveways just to use percarbonate. It's very good, a good product to use when doing house soft washes, even cleaning concrete, any type of structures, fences. This is your go-to. And this right here, what is this? I don't know if that's rust right there. If it's rust, it's not going to remove rust, but it'll remove all the dirt. So now what I'm going to do, get ready to start the pressure washer up and come back and start soft washing and doing our rinse here and rinse all this this backyard patio out. Get all this stuff done. All right, so stay tuned for the after footage. Visit us at allterraine.com for the supreme clean. Thank you.